welcome to Kiamutugu online classes. This is Miss Edna Cheptoo, a biology chemistry teacher. I want to deal with Form 2 chemistry, and the first topic is structure of the atom and the periodic table. We are going to begin with the first part, the structure of the atom. So an atom, this is not the first time we mentioned the term atom. We mentioned it in Form 1, and we defined an atom as the smallest particle of an element that can take part in chemical reaction. That was the definition in Form 1. Now we want to look at the structure of the atom. So the structure, according to the studies, it shows that the atom is made up of small subatomic particles that include the protons, the electrons, and the neutrons. These are the three subatomic of the atom. So the atom contains two regions, that is the central region and the outer region. So the central region is called the central region of an atom is known as the nucleus. And the outer region of an atom is known as the energy level. The nucleus will contain the protons and the neutrons. That is, the nucleus contains the protons and neutrons, while the energy levels contains the electrons. Now the energy levels contains the electrons. So I want to talk about the charges of the three subatomics of the atom. So I'll begin with the protons. The proton has a positive charge. An electron is the next one. It has a negative charge. The last subatomic is the neutron. It has no charge. Since the protons are located at the nucleus and it has a positive charge, an electron is located at the energy levels and it contains the negative charge. This makes an atom to be a neutral. It contains both positive and negative charges. Now I want to draw the structure of an atom. So this is the structure of an atom. We said the atom contains two parts. That is the inner region and the outer region. And we said the inner region contains of the nucleus and the outer contains of energy levels. This is the energy levels. This is the first energy level of an atom. Immediately after the nucleus. And again, we said in the nucleus we have protons and we have the neutrons. So the nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Electrons are located at the energy level, so the energy level will contain electrons. That is the structure of an atom with the nucleus and energy level, protons and neutrons located in the nucleus, and electrons in the energy level. So I'll begin by drawing the first atom, that is the atom of an hydrogen atom. Hydrogen is the simplest atoms, the 20 elements that we'll discuss in Form 2. So an hydrogen has one proton, it has one electron, and it has 0 neutron. So if we want to draw the structure of hydrogen atom, this is the structure. So the nucleus will contain one proton and 0 neutron. So here we have in the neutron, the inner region, it has one proton, 0 neutron. And in the outermost energy levels, we have one electron. That is the structure of the hydrogen, the first atom in the 20 elements. So the second one is lithium, the structure of lithium atom. The structure of the lithium has 2 protons, it has 2 electrons, and it has 2 neutrons. So the structure in the nucleus will have 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and 2 electrons in the outermost energy level. So this is the structure of lithium. 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and 2 electrons in the outermost energy. So next, I want to talk about the isotopes, elements. This is elements of these elements of atoms in different forms. Here we have to talk about mass number and atomic number. I'll begin with atomic number. Atomic number is simply the number of protons in an atom. In an atom. The second part is about the mass number. The mass number is number of protons plus number of neutrons in the nucleus. So it's the number of protons plus the number of neutrons in the nucleus. So, for example, if we say symbol X represents an atom, and we have M and M. M will be our mass number, and N will be our atomic number. So we want to begin by talking about the isotope of hydrogen. And hydrogen has 1 proton and 1 neutron. So mass number is 1 plus 0, 1 protons and 1 neutron. So it has 1, mass number of 1, and atomic number is the number of proton, which is 1. We then move to the second one, which is helium. Helium has 2 protons plus 2 neutrons. So 4 is the mass number. 4. And atomic number is the number of proton, which is 2. So that is an isotope of the helium. Thank you and welcome to the next class.